Welcome back, ladies and gents. Welcome back to another video on the channel. As you can see, November's going really well. As the day of recording this, it's the 21st, so we're nearly there. Anyway, as you can see in the title, we're going to be showing you how to use another very useful script. So you can put a countdown timer saying you're starting soon screen, and then it'll move to whatever screen or whatever scene you want next. So no intro, no everything. We're just going to get straight into it. New style of video. So first off, we are going to go to. Let me bring it over here. There we go. So we're going to go to this. We're going to put obviously the link in the description. Simple, easy. Just go to this obviously website. It's the countdown timer with optional next scene. There is a couple of options on it which we'll show you anyway. Just download it. It literally just downloads into your download folder. The next bit you're gonna need to do from there. Let me just open it. So scripts is once it's in your downloads. Like we do with all the other ones, you can copy it or you can drag it into your folder that you want it. So I've copied it. We go to local disk. Can we just zoom in? There we go. Go to program files. We go to OBS Studios. We go to data, plugins, excuse me, and front end tools, scripts, and just paste it into there. Then you've got all your scripts in the right in the place where you want them to be. So once I've done that, we'll go back to OBS and just close that a minute. So what we're going to do, I've already added in a text source. Obviously you can make this suit your style however you want it. So you can select the fonts, you can select the, so we're going to properties, obviously the type of font you want, the style, all that sort of stuff. You can customize that however you want, as you do with anything. That's what you want to do to make it fit your style. To then get the actual script, we're going to go to, there we go, scripts. We're going to drag this up here a minute, and we're just going to take this one out. And we're just going to add it back in. So this is why we put it into the folder we do, because then we can find it easier. We want the countdown days.lua. It downloads directly as that. Like I said, there's no saving of formats and file anyway. So we just select that one. We are going to need to select the timer source. There we go. It's the one I've got right at the top there. If my camera's not covering, there we go. Countdown timer. Twitch scene. I gave that a stupidly long name, but it helped me find it. So on this we can have so say let's go at the end. So we can have a text at the end. So say 10 seconds. We'll do that. I'll just move that out of the way. So at 10 seconds, it can change that text source, the countdown timer to let's go. The other thing we can do is obviously, and what we're doing it for, is we want to go to our just chatting scene. So at 10 seconds, it will, in theory, no, it will do it. It will swap us to our just chatting scene, and it goes with your transition you've set up for that scene. Obviously, you can set all the times. You can set it for 5 minutes, 4 minutes, whatever you want to do it for. Obviously, we're going to go back to the starting soon screen, and it starts every time you start that, go onto that scene. If you don't want it on, obviously you just turn the source off and turn it on. If you want to, if it's not as long, you can obviously Alt and you can crop it down and then realign it. Do all that. It's a nice, easy, quick. There we go. It's done it again. It's a very easy script. Can be very handy to use as well. So yeah, very. I'm waffling. I waffle. That's all right. We waffle. Anyway, thank you all once again. Let me get into the right camera. Thank you all once again. Another quick video for you. I'm trying to look for these new different types of scripts that might be handy for you all to use, and try and make your life as a streamer that little bit easier. Anyway, for now, I will catch you all in the next one. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and check out this playlist here with all my OBS tutorials as well. Peace out.